Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Marce from I-techtz, and look what we've brought to you today. Here is how to color grade your photos using the Adobe Photoshop 2020 version. So first of all, I've been working on how to color grade my photos and look realistic without affecting the skin tones. So I later on come up with a solution. That's why I today want to show you. I want to share it with you guys. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then it's your time. Hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button now, so as you won't miss any of the updates as when we upload these tutorials. And let's jump right into the photos and see how we could color grade the photos by simply a single click of the preset, which I designed them, and I'll put the link on the description. You can simply download them using the Google Drive link or even through our website. So from here, as you can see, from this folder I have 5 photos. So I'll highlight them and drag them to Photoshop 2020. As you can see, yeah. So as you can see, I took these photos using Nikon D750. I used 85mm at f2.5, no, at f4.5, with ISO of 200 and shutter speed of 1/160 per second. So just go right here. I just click this button here and then load the setting, I mean the preset that I currently created. So I'll just load the settings here. As you can see, I think it's best we start with these photos here. Yes, I think we should start with these photos. So I'll click the 3 buttons here, then load the settings, and then I'll just go right into my preset. As you can see, there are a bunch of presets. I'll just put the link on the description so as you can download and simply use them to high up your photography skills. So I'll use this preset. As you can see from these photos, it seems so dark. So what you need to do here is only just to add some minor adjustment. So from here I can see my photo needs to have an exposure so as to look stunning. So I'll just increase the exposure right here to the basics till the point I see the changes of my photos that I'll be satisfied with. So I think, to my opinion, I'll be satisfied with this. So as you can see the skin tones from now, and here I'll just click the before and after, so as you can see the difference between the preset and the previous photo as I've inserted the preset. So right closely you can see how the photo are stunning. The skin tones are amazing. Yes, from here I'll simply just click the light. I'll just right click the bar here, then copy the settings, and then I can use these settings to all these photos right here. Yeah, from here I can just right click again and then paste the settings. As you can see how your photos are look very stunning. So you can add some minor adjustment depending on the time that you shoot your photos, but these presets works with every kind of photos, depending on the lighting factors. So from here I'll only add some minor adjustment, maybe the shadows right there, as you can see. So again, minimal. Yeah, so from here, as you can see, the presets. Yes, thereafter I'll also copy again these settings and paste to another photo here. So as you can see the difference, guys, the photos looks very amazing, and I'll just put the link on the description below, so as you can download these presets and use them just to high up your photography skills of skin color grading. Also from here I can also paste the settings. As you can see how the presets works very fine with the skin tones, though I'll add some minor adjustment depending on the photos. So here, good. Yeah, yes, as you can see, guys, the before and after. Also I'll also paste on this photo, same applied. I'll add some minor adjustment. So what I'll only just add some exposure and shadows, and as you can see how the photo looks very stunning. Yeah guys, as you can see how the skin tones looks very amazing compared to this before and after we've pressed the presets. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then it's your turn. Hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if you really enjoy this video, and also don't forget to check the description. I've put the link of where you could download these presets just for free.